Like that's exactly what I'm looking for as far as the taste is concerned on first sip. That, like that. Virginia is for Grubbers. We are back again with another old-fashioned Friday. And this week we are coming to you from Frederick, Maryland. And we are at Hootch Banter. Now we've done one other old-fashioned Friday right here in Frederick, Maryland. And I can't remember the name of the place. However, their old-fashioned wasn't great, but they had one of the best pizzas I've had in my entire life. And that video kind of did really well just because of the pizza alone. We came back to Frederick, Maryland to see what else they had in store as far as the old fashions were concerned. Hootch Banter, found this place online, looks super dope. There's a downstairs where I'm at right now, which is a restaurant. There's also an upstairs lounge. Now the upstairs lounge definitely looks doper than the downstairs from the pictures that I saw online. However, there's a private event going on there tonight. Can't get in, so we're here in the restaurant, baby. It's no big deal. I got a nice little booth that's on the corner of the restaurant. Nice two big windows. You can see downtown, the cars driving by, people walking by. Looks like they're starting to decorate for Christmas down here. It's a beautiful thing. If you guys are new to our channel, what we do is we rate old fashions on 4 different things. It's 0 through 3 on appearance, first sip, overall taste, 0 through 1 on the overall ambiance of the establishment that we're at, maximum score of 10. We've done over 100 of these throughout the state of Virginia, some in DC, one in Maryland, some of them actually outside the country, majority of them in Virginia. Why do we do that? I'm still trying to figure that out myself. Nonetheless, Hootch Banter, they have an old fashioned on their menu. It's called It's About Time. They're using a 4 Roses bourbon, sugar, orange, bitters, and an applewood smoked glass before they pour all the ingredients in there. And it says the cocktail menu is by Jeff Naylor. I don't know Jeff, but Jeff, here we go, dog. Price point $16. First thing we do is rate the appearance. Let's get into this bad boy right here. All right. Nice size glass. We got a Luxardo cherry. That's nice. Little orange in there. Single cube. That's nice. No clarified ice on the single cube, but it's still single cube. Anything without clarified ice, I usually don't go above 2.5. I think this qualifies for right around there, so I'm gonna stick with 2.5 off of appearance. Let's jump into this first sip. Here we go. Holy hell. Dude, that's insanely smooth. Hold on, I don't know if I'm in focus. Right before I took the first sip, you can smell the applewood smoke in the glass. Definitely not overbearing on the first sip or the taste. Yeesh. Dog, that's one of the smoothest OFs I've ever had. There's zero burn. Extremely well blended. I'm a little speechless because I'm kind of shocked. Not that I thought that it was going to be bad. I just didn't think it was going to be that. Like, that's exactly what I'm looking for as far as the taste is concerned on first sip. That. I don't do this too often. I'm going to go full 3 off first sip. Let's talk about the restaurant itself. It's right in like the downtown Frederick area. It's right on kind of a main street. I don't know the name of the street, but it's a really cute little area, man. Like, reminds me of Leesburg a lot. Downstairs, super nice. They have an extensive whiskey and bourbon list I saw on here. They got Eagle Rare, they got Blanton's, they have some Japanese whiskey that I've never seen anywhere, especially in Virginia. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this right. Hakushu 12-year. I actually bought a bottle of that in New Jersey one time. It's the only place I've ever seen it, and they actually have it here. And the prices aren't bad. Blanton's, 18 bucks. Eagle Rare, 20 bucks. They also have Buffalo Trace, 13 bucks. That's decent. As we stated on a few Old Fashioned Fridays a few weeks ago, we're gonna start doing the happy hours at all of these locations. Their happy hour is super simple. They don't have one. So that's that. They used to have one, he said. Now they got rid of it. So all they do now is on Wednesdays, they have, I guess, half off wines. I could be wrong, but there's wine specials on Wednesdays here. So with the ambiance on the main street, the whiskey selection, everything, I'm gonna go 0.9 on overall ambiance. I mean, possibly could be a 1, but I didn't get to see the upstairs, and the parking situation in downtown is not the easiest. So it's like, it gets a little tricky. Here we go, overall. Dude, this is smooth, man. This is insanely smooth. Luxardo. This is probably 3 or 4 more sips. This is how smooth it is. Nothing. Like, just straight smoothness. That is a dangerous old fashioned. I'm gonna label this one of the most dangerous old fashions we've ever done. Clarified ice, I'd probably stick to the same 3.0. It's just insanely smooth. No clarified ice, obviously the ice cube got a little bit smaller, so diluted it a little bit more. Overall, I'm gonna go 2.9. 9.3, Hootch and Banter, Frederick, Maryland, Old Fashioned King. Cheers.